What's up, brother?
What's up, Dad?
A couple of dudes working the optical shop today.
Yes, sir.
What do you think? Enjoying the day so far?
Yeah. It's been interesting. Found a couple frames that I like.
Oh yeah, it seems like every time you come here you find another pair you want, right?
Yeah. It's just so fun. I like whenever I put on a frame, it just feels quality. Like you just as soon as you set it on your face, it's just crazy the quality you can tell about just putting it on your face. It just makes you feel like, wow, this just feels good.
I love that.
It's just cool.
Gives you a little confidence.
Yeah, I feel like this frame looks good on me. It just feels good.
I love that. I love that.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing that, man. Thanks for being here with me today.
You're welcome.
It's fun to work and joy with you. Yeah, it's fun. We're going to talk about some glasses stats today, some random stuff that maybe some people don't know. So we're going to talk through that. I'm going to read them off, and then you give me your reaction.
Okay.
How about that? Does that work? Okay. So 75% of adults in the United States use some form of vision correction, with glasses being the most common option. 75% of the United States adults use some form of correction.
Man, that's a little wild.
Is that higher than you expected?
Yeah, sure. That's insane. You're one of them.
I am one of them, right. Now there are some people that wear contacts and we don't really know that they're wearing them.
Yeah.
So I guess that kind of distorts it a little bit, but 75%, so.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Okay, how about this one? This is cool, this is a financial number. The global eyewear market was valued at over $131 billion.
That's a lot of money.
And is expected to reach $197 billion by 2027. It's a large market and it's growing fast.
Yes, it is. It's growing very fast. Just like this.
Enjoy Optical.
Enjoy Optical.
Sunglasses were invented in China in the 12th century. This is one of your favorite stats we were talking about. They were initially used by judges in courtrooms to hide their facial expression.
I thought it would be so weird. I wonder how dark the lenses would be.
I don't know.
Especially in 2012.
I don't know.
I mean, the 12th century.
Yeah, I know. That's a long time ago.
It's a long time
So they would
ago.
put them on so that you couldn't really tell their reaction, I guess. It's amazing how much you can read from eyes, right?
Yeah,
It's
it's crazy. Yeah.
would you ever wear tinted lenses indoors, Oliver?
Sometimes, unless it's bright lights, factory shops like Home Depot, it's bright lights, stuff like that. That hurts my eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. There we go. 12th century in China.
Yeah.
More than 60% of people wear glasses or contacts to correct their nearsightedness, which is called myopia, a condition where distant objects appear blurry. And so 60% of people are wearing it because of their nearsightedness, which means they can't see distance.
Yeah.
Which is what my prescription is. And that means there's a negative in the prescription too. So it's minus
how far
2.
it is.
Yeah, yeah. So if it's a plus, then that is, it's farsightedness. If it's a minus, that means it's nearsightedness.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Okay. You ready for the next one?
Yeah, this is fun.
In the United States, the most popular type of lens materials for glasses is plastic, with about 53% of glasses sold having plastic lenses. Plastic lenses have a very high, what we call ABI rating. So it's a clarity rating that's really high, but it's also quite lightweight.
Yeah,
And so
what I
that's why
like about that. It's just, glass lenses are a little too heavy on my nose.
We were just talking about that earlier. We have a pair of glass lenses here, and it's heavier.
It's very heavy.
Did you notice the optics being better? Was the vision better out of them?
I noticed that a little bit. It just felt like I was just having a normal vision because I don't wear glasses. It just felt like a normal vision. So it's just it just felt like it was looking through just my normal sight, but tint.
Okay. But the weight bothered you?
Yeah, it's just annoying.
Okay. So glass lenses are out.
Yeah.
Well, fortunately, it's really hard to get them, and they're really uncommon now
Yeah.
to get glass lenses. So
It's true.
Okay, let's see if we have an, oh, this is interesting. The world's largest collection of eyeglasses belongs to this guy named David G. Heilman of Arizona, who has amassed over 90,000 pairs of glasses.
Now that's a lot of pairs. That's a lot of
He
pairs.
started collecting in 1960.
Think
90,000.
about that. We don't even have that much.
No, not even close.
We're
We have
just
about-
300.
Yeah, we have about 300 pairs on the shelf.
That's
This
just
guy has 90,000. Where would you even put them? You think they're just stacked in a box, or do you think all of them are in cases?
Well, you would think you'd think you'd have to have a custom where it's like 100 like glasses case that fits 100 pairs of glasses in,
Yeah,
or you just put them on the shelves.
I'd be interested to know if he has, if he has really expensive ones or not.
That's
I
true.
wonder what his collection's worth.
Maybe it's like Ray-Bans or something,
Yeah, I don't know.
or maybe mid-range like wool and
Who knows?
or green.
What other thoughts do you have about eyeglasses before we wrap this video?
I feel like eyeglasses are just fun to wear. It depends like on what frame you're wearing. You definitely want to feel confident in them whenever you try them on. You want to like if you love the frame, you definitely want to feel confident in the frame, like confident on your face. So yeah, it's just I like wearing eyeglasses and I don't even need to wear them. So that shows you that I'm confident in that.
Enjoy Optical. Enjoy life together.
Boom, baby.
Love you, buddy.
Love you, Dad.